Before watching this, get your ass in Minter's stream. www.twitch.tv/Minter_TV. Today we are here to talk about how Minter is secretly in the Illuminati. Minter streams on Twitch. Twitch is a streaming site. Twitch has 6 letters. You know what else has 6 letters? Correct. Go Fish. Go Fish is a card game. Minter has played a card game called Cards Against Humanity. Cards Against Humanity is a comedy card game. Minter's stream is full of comedy. This is looking a little fishy to me. Does Minter use comedy on his stream to hide the fact he is in the Illuminati? Minter goes to Breach Alon one time every 3 months. He is gone for a few days. What is Minter doing in these few days he is gone? He is taking part in a meeting at the Illuminati headquarters. The Illuminati headquarters therefore is in Scotland. The Scottish flag is covered in triangles. Minter's girlfriend is Scottish. Minter is from Cornwall. Cornwall has 8 letters. Minter TV has 8 letters. Jillian has 7 letters. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. There are 3 points on a triangle. Therefore Minter TV is Illuminati confirmed.